Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change username on Instagram. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application on your phone. This could be on Android, could be on iPhone. So go ahead, open the Instagram app. Once opened, locate and click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Now on your Instagram profile page, click on edit profile. Once you selected edit profile, then you'll see your username. Go ahead and click on it. Then delete the existing username and then type in the new username. If the new username is available, then you should see a check mark here that allows you to see the new username. And you also want to read this. In most cases, you'll be able to change your username back to this for another 14 days. So to save the username, just go ahead and click on the check mark at the top right and then you are good. So that's exactly how to change username on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.